Alright, time to join the fun times. Passenger side, driver side. Guess now I get to become part of the cool kids club. Why? Because these are carbon fiber looking handles for the door. Because that one is shredding apart. And this side just stopped working. See, no work. It's not open. But these are really easy to open. I just have to plop out those things and we're done. 10 mil. And this in the 10 mil. Let's start with the broken side first. I wish I had like a seat to sit down on. Actually, I do. Alright. Handle is being held on by two 10 mils. One cap. These caps are just easy. You just have to basically pop them out. And hopefully this doesn't fall down. Alright. Two 10 mils, and then there's a little clip in the back that comes off. Most likely this one's broken, so that's how you do it. I need both hands, so I can't hold this and do that at the same time, so yeah, part 2 coming. Alright, part 2. Quick one. See, pull that apart. That's all broken on the inside. That's the fun part. Fun and easy. That's out. Have to remove this plastic thing from inside. And should be able to easily get the other one on. Alright, part 3 coming. Yeah, new door handle installed. And it works. Perfect. Carbon fiber feel. Looks amazing. Driver side. Wait. Not gonna lie, that actually looks pretty decent on there. Definitely looks different. Cool. It's been a while. I don't think that's worked for a couple years now. But we can all tell why. Common problem. The inside plastic thing right here, where the spring sits on, it just broke. It broke. That's what happens after a while. They break. Very easy. Barely an inconvenience. Now the driver's side I've done before. So the only reason why we're changing this one out is because this is coming apart. This is like a weird metal. It's flaking and it cuts me every time I touch it. But it also doesn't match the new carbon fiber, so. But this already had the things off, so easy peasy. Cool. Driver's side. Perfect. No issues either. I also fixed an issue that I had before. I didn't have this aligned right in the bottom. So now I do. Feels so much better. Oh. Yes, it does. Cool. Carbon fiber. No, I have this one set up too. This has a weird click to it though. The other side didn't. There you have it. Very easy. On this one, 4 bolts to remove because you got the lock. But technically it's just 2 10mm and the pipe that holds on to. Let's see, old stuff. A new carbon fiber looking thing here. Cool. That's it. So I did a lot of work today on my car this week. Fixed my windows, fixed the fuel problem. Yeah, even looks better. I like it. Cool.